See, this is what I'm talking about in Texas. You get up early to go play tennis. You're gonna meet the guys at the courts. There was nothing in the weather about rain. And it's pouring. All we do is get rain out here. Unexpectedly pop up storms. There's no drought. There's no water shortage. The lakes are beyond full. And everything is so green. And we're gonna just play later when it stops. It's supposed to stop in the next hour or so, I think. But I'll go to the gym and do a good cardio workout, and then meet the fellas at the courts probably around noon or 1, somewhere around there. But it's pouring again. Free water for the grass. Have a good Sunday, folks. And I'm sure the golf course is closed. I'm just around the corner from home. Well, the golf course is open, but they didn't know it was going to rain either. I mean, it's pouring. It's just pouring. I'll go home and have a cup of coffee. I'm going to pull in right now and have some water and go to the gym in about an hour. And all is good. A lot of rain.